I am grateful to the director and members of staff of this Institute of Technology for having invited me to perform the opening ceremony of the building of your institute this evening. It has always been an encouraging and interesting experience for me to meet you all, men and women, students and teachers who are engaged in imparting knowledge. It makes me feel happier and younger. I shall carry with me happy memory of the pleasant time I have spent in your midst this evening. I have been greatly impressed by the considerable thought and hard work that has gone into the design and construction of this building, which I have had the pleasure to inaugurate. I find that it is designed to meet all the present requirements of the institute and also to provide for future expansion. Its cost has been kept significantly low, and the speed with which it has been constructed observes admiration. The development of modern industry has been one of our significant achievements in the post-independence period. We have started several new industries and expanded old ones. This has enabled us to reduce imports to meet increased internal demands and to promote exports in certain important sectors. In this regard, many of our programs for the development of higher technical education have really made a significant contribution. In the last 20 years, we have expanded many of our old engineering colleges. In our view, a bigger institution tends to be more economical and efficient We have established several new institutions, among which special mention should be made of the regional engineering colleges. We have also created 2 universities in which the main program is the education of engineers. All these are institutions of national importance which give their own degrees and maintain high standards. Their principal object is to provide facilities for excellent postgraduate education and research within the country itself. Their significant contribution to the development of industry is now universally acknowledged. International organizations have also helped us in a big way to establish these institutions. I convey our gratitude to them and especially to the government of the United Kingdom.